Hi friends, welcome to our channel Math Enthusiast. Well, you might be wondering what am I doing here? Let me first introduce myself. I am Bhavani, wife of Mr. Krishna Kumar, who has started this channel. Well, when we posted the videos, we got a mixed reviews saying that SAT teaches concepts of much higher level and it would be nicer if we could introduce some smaller concepts for smaller kids, some easier concepts. So when we were thinking about it, we came up with this idea that I'll be teaching kids of a smaller age and he'll be dealing with the higher class students. And that way you'll be able to understand in future, if you see a video of me, it will be for smaller kids, and if you see a video of sir, it will be for the higher class students. So having said that, let me start with the first concept. We are all familiar with the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, right? Let's see how do we get that. Now consider a triangle A, B, C. So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, right? So we are going to see how do we get this. Okay, now consider. Now draw a line parallel to AC passing through B. Mark this line as L. So this line L is parallel to AC, right? Okay. Now let's just mark this angle as X degree and this as Y degrees. Okay. Now since these two lines are parallel and this BC transverses these two lines, the angles between these two are alternate interior angles. And so this angle becomes X degree. Okay. And the same way, this angle and this angle are equal and this becomes Y degree. You could see a Z symbol, right? A Z. These two angles are equal. Okay. Now, we know that for a straight line, the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. This whole angle is 180 degree, right? This whole angle is 180 degree. Let's mark this angle as Z. So, according to this, X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degree when you consider this line. Since these two angles are equal, this angle X becomes angle C and this angle Y becomes angle A and this is angle B, that is equal to 180 degree. So this is a very easy concept. So in future you will never forget that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree.